In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on red button to start. To pause it or unpause it, click on the left one. To add a bookmark, on the right one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now to play your recording, click on it. Hit allow all the time, tap on it again, and operate all of those options however you want to. To access even more, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!